In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FedEx for shipping. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and if there's a local website for your current location, it's going to ask you if you want to be directed there. So usually, it's a good idea to do that, and whenever you click on it, you'll see this is going to be the website. Now, it may differ depending on the region, so over here, almost always is going to be a shipping button up top. You want to click on it, and you want to click on Create a Shipment. Now, whenever you do this, the first thing that's going to ask you is whether you actually want to sign in or ship as a guest. So if you have an account or you want to create one, you can do that over here and then go shipping over there. Or you could go and ship as a guest, which we're going to do right now because I'm assuming you've never done this if you're watching this video, and you of course could ship as a guest. So again, up to you. I'm going to click on this one over here. And then whenever you do that, it's going to wait for a few seconds, and there we go. Now you'll have to put in the details first. So it's going to ask you over here where you want to ship from, and then your details. So you have your contact details, so this is from yourself, then click on next, and then put in where you want to deliver to. So you want to put in the recipient details over there as well. Once you do that, I've blurred that's why I didn't actually go through it, but it's pretty much the same thing twice. Now, whenever you do that, you're gonna have to go to package details. And over here you have a few options. You can ship with FedEx One rate or not, up to you. And then over here you have to select the packaging. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to do like a medium box, for example. And then here, of course, it's going to ask you how many packages you're going to send and then what their weight is, okay? So in pounds over here, I'm going to do, for example, let's just do 10 pounds. There we go. So of course, do it over here. You have to weigh things. You have to kind of measure them out so you can see if it's going to go into that specific box. And then here you can click on next. And then from the next page over here, you can see it's going to say service. Now service is going to be, of course, selected over here as well. So you'll have to kind of select what service you want. So when you want it delivered, and then of course the ship date, stuff like that. So I'm just going to go and click on over here where it says let's just do 10:30. I'm going to click on that. Then you want to go to the bottom and click on next yet again. Now, when you do that here, you'll have some service options. So in my case here, we have signature options, and you can hold at a location. If you want to enable this, you can do that, and you can also select a signature type. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to click on next yet again. Now, over here, you have to select your pickup and drop off. So you have the nearest, and then you have the latest opening hours. You have a few options over here, and then you can select an alternative location as well if you wanna, and then you can click on next again. And then over here you can add shipment notifications, and here you can add your email address if you want to as well. I do not need those, so I'm going to turn that off. And then you have to go to the checkout. Now whenever you click on the checkout page over here, you'll be able to basically check out. You'll have to put in your card number, you'll have to put in your name on card, etc. And whenever you basically put in the details, you'll be able to basically create your payment, and then click on finalize over here, and that way you'll be able to go ahead and get your shipment through. And that's essentially how to use FedEx for shipping. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.